This one just takes several pulls. That's all it takes, boys! Oh, she's going! No! Alright, so there those boys are, cruising along. They're gonna try to outrun us, which is fine. Faster you go, the colder you get. We'll just take her nice and slow today. It's fine, we got nothing to do. We're gonna go back and start a big fire outside, bonfire. We got Degan coming and I think his buddy Lane. So we'll, those guys are gonna come stay the night and then they're gonna all go riding up at Summit Lake. Which, better them than me, because that's another 2-hour drive there and 2 hours back. That's just to the cabin, and then you got 2.5 more hours back to Anchorage. So,
rinse and repeat, baby.
4, but 6.5 hours of driving and 1 day plus riding. And they got no taillights on their trailer. So that'll be interesting. That's kind of a Peterson trait. Nothing ever works like it should, but it gets the job done and it makes things more exciting. So right now my hands are freezing. That's the old Costco leather gloves today. Did not opt for the climb gloves. They are too bulky. Get my hands cold. Pretty surprised at how cold they are. I let Rhett wear them and
are they okay?
He wanted to try them, see if he wants to take them tomorrow up at Summit.
So we're out here at Summit today. We're doing a little test of the snow. I don't get to bust this guy out all too often. Oh fuck. Ooh, excuse my language. I think it goes something like, would you just get it? Yeah. Let's try it again. Try it again, huh?
Hey, I want to get it bigger.
907? 907. What's your YouTube channel?
Alaska Freeriders.
Alaska Freeriders.
Check it out, man.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, appreciate the support.
Let's try it again.
Yeah, try it again.
How close was it?
Bro.
I tried grabbing my ski and pulling it, and I was like, no, 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 I'm gonna feel dumb.
Bro. That was funny. That was so funny.
Give it the old sled roll. The oldest trick in the book right here. That's how you get your sled unstuck. On the upside, you're gonna want to make sure it doesn't keep on rolling. Oh fuck, I'll run you over. Ugh.
Should be good there to go on the other side.
Perfect.
Okay, here we go. You gotta watch my machine. You got cut the mud flap off to go riding with Rhett up in the hills so you don't get stuck. But then when you hit the trails, you need a mud flap or you overheat. And most of the time you're going too slow for scratchers to even throw up any snow. There's so many bumps. So you gotta hit the powder on the sides when you can. Just watch your temperatures.